is a bike check. We got the Sunday Alex Magellan frame in that grayish color. We got the Sunday forks. Yeah. Sunday bars. Clutch down. Stock headset. Fit Tech grips. ODI bar ends. Best bar ends in the world. We got some Odyssey Twisted PCs. This one's broken. The stock cranks. Stock Sunday. Oh fuck. Stock Sunday. Sprocket. Yeah. Got this Odyssey rim. Beautiful. 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 Yeah, I haven't put it on yet. If you guys haven't noticed. My hub. It's pretty loud. Jokes. It's really really quiet. Then we got United Seat Fit seat post. Or yeah, and then Sunday clamp. We got a quadrant rim, some black spokes, and a front hub. A front hub. That's how I roll. Free coaster. There's even a chain on there too. And then I got the spare rim. Another quadrant. Yeah, Moss. Anyways, and then I got tire. Yeah.
What's your front wheel?
Oh yeah, I got an Odyssey hazard light, laced to Primo spokes, and a Shadow Raptor hub. And I'm supposed to have a Raptor hub on the back too, but I haven't got it yet. That's why I have this piece of shit. Yeah, and I always heart boobies. Yeah, so. Okay, yeah. That's my bike check of shit.